If you're over 50 and confident in most areas of your life, your work, your friendships, but the moment dating comes up and you suddenly feel unsure, self-doubting, and even a little overwhelmed, I want you to know something important. There is nothing wrong with you. Today I'm going to show you exactly why dating creates this emotional shift and how you can feel grounded, calm, and fully yourself again without pretending, performing, or pushing. Let's begin. Something I see again and again in friends and clients is this. You can be capable, resilient adult with a rich, full life and still feel unsteady when it comes to dating. You can handle finances, career decisions, life transitions, and yet the moment connection or attraction enters the room, your confidence wavers. And the real question becomes, why do I feel so strong everywhere else but uncertain when it comes to dating? And if you're someone who says, I've never felt confident dating, not in my 20s, not at 50s, please hear this clearly. Dating confidence is not a personality trait. It's not something you're born with. It's something that develops through experience many of us haven't had in a safe and supportive way. Dating asks for vulnerability, presence, emotional openness, and those things naturally feel unfamiliar if you haven't practiced them in a dating context. So this is not about lacking something, it's about learning something, and you can learn it at any age. If you haven't dated in a while, you are not insecure, you are human. You're stepping into space that hasn't been familiar recently. It's not weakness, it's simply rust. And rust disappears with a gentle movement and small steps. And why it feels different now. Now you are dating as a wiser, more self-aware version of yourself. You know your needs, you know your boundaries, you know what doesn't work for you anymore. That clarity can feel like pressure, but it's actually your greatest advantage. Modern dating moves fast. Apps, messages, algorithms, all of it. And many people over 50 tell me, I just want a real conversation with a real person. You don't need to master every tool. You only need a simple way of showing up that feels natural, steady, and aligned with who you are now. Tip number 1, build a grounding ritual before a date. Your confidence begins before you meet anyone. Wear something that feels authentic. Use a scent that you love. Take 2 breaths before you walk in. 1 breath to soften your nerves, 1 breath to remind yourself, I am enough as I am. This is how emotional presence starts. Tip number 2, focus on being present, not perfect. Dating later in life can you feel like you're being evaluated as if you must prove you're worthy. But you're not there to impress anyone. You're there to discover whether this connection feels right for you. So ground your body, release your shoulders, feel your feet against the floor. Let your breath slow just a little. When you are present, your natural confidence returns. Tip number 3, lead with curiosity. You don't need a clever lines or polished stories. Genuine curiosity creates connection instantly. A simple question is enough. What's something meaningful in your life right now? What brought you joy this week? Curiosity opens doors. It eases pressure. It creates real moment between 2 real people. Tip number 4, celebrate 1 win after every date, not whether the date was good or bad. Just the 1 small win. I showed up, I stayed open, I listened, I was honest. These small recognitions build confidence layer by layer, faster than any external approval ever could. If dating feels harder than the rest of your life, please remember you're stepping into something meaningful. And when something matters, it's normal to feel tender, exposed, and even a little unsure. But you're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience, wisdom, and self-awareness, and deep understanding of what truly matters to you. With gentle practice, small grounding habits, and a lot of compassion toward yourself, your confidence will return in a stronger, clearer form than ever. If you would like guidance on your dating journey, you're welcome to book a free discovery call with me. All the links are in the description box below. You've got this, truly. Love and light. Bye.